Hi everyone, it's Nick from Slexo, and today I will tell you about Blazemeter and its features as GUI and load test, scriptless testing, and mock services. To perform GUI testing with Blazemeter, you can use a variety of tools and technologies such as Selenium and Gmeter. These tools allow you to create automated test scripts that simulate user interactions with applications GUI, such as clicking buttons, filling out forms, and navigating through menus. You can then run these test scripts against your application in Blazemeter to see how it performs under different load conditions. In this direction, we can create tests of the functionality of your application and run them remotely. It is important to say that we can create scriptless tests by recording the actions of testers on the page using browser extensions. Once tests are created, they can be run on different browsers, executed whenever needed, or scheduled to run on specific time. Blazemeter generates in-depth reporting for each test run, including an execution video, and integrate with a CI/CD framework if needed. Blazemeter scriptless testing is deep and flexible, designed to make test creation simple and also easy maintained while providing additional features for more complex needs. Overall, GUI testing with Blazemeter can help you ensure that your application's GUI is reliable and user-friendly, which is important for maintaining a positive user experience and building trust with your customers. Load testing is a type of performance testing that involves simulating a high volume of user traffic or workload on application or system to evaluate its performance and scalability under real-world conditions. Load testing is typically used to identify and diagnose performance issues such as bottlenecks, latency, and errors that may occur when an application is subjected to a high level of user traffic. There are several reasons why load testing may be needed in Blazemeter. First, to ensure the performance and scalability of your application or system, load testing can help you determine whether an application or system is able to handle a high volume of user traffic or workload without experiencing any performance issues. This is especially important for applications or systems that are expected to handle a large number of users or transactions. Second, to identify and resolve performance issues. Load testing can help you identify and diagnose performance issues that may occur under high load conditions. By analyzing the result of load test, you can identify bottlenecks, latency, and other issues that may impact the performance of the application or system and take steps to resolve them. Third, to validate the capacity of an application or system. Load testing can help you validate the capacity of an application or system by simulating the maximum expected user traffic of workload and seeing how it performs. This can help you determine whether your application or system is able to meet the demands of your users. Fourth, to ensure the availability and reliability of an application or system. Load testing can help you ensure that your application or system is able to maintain a high level of availability and reliability even under high load conditions. This is important for maintaining a positive user experience and building trust with your customers. Overall, load testing with Blazemeter is a valuable tool for evaluating the performance and scalability of an application or system under real-world conditions and identifying and resolving any issues that may impact its performance. Mock services are often used in load testing to simulate the behavior of external dependencies of third-party systems that an application relies on. This can be especially useful when you're testing the performance of an application under real-world conditions, as it allows you to test the application behaviors without relying on the actual dependencies or third-party systems. There are also several reasons why mock services may be needed in Blazemeter. First, to reduce test complexity, mock services can help simplify the load testing process by allowing you to test the performance of your application without having to set up and configure the actual dependencies of third-party systems. This can reduce the complexity of your load tests and make them easier to set up and maintain. Second, to improve test reliability. Using mock services can help improve the reliability of your load testing by eliminating the risk of external dependency or third-party system failing or behaving instantly. This can provide more accurate and consistent test results. Third, to test edge cases. Mock services can allow you to simulate unusual or unexpected behavior from external dependencies or third-party systems, which can help you test the resilience and robustness of your application under these conditions. Mock services can be a useful tool for load testing with Blazemeter, as they can help you test the performance and behavior of your application under real-world conditions without relying on the actual dependencies or third-party systems. Summing up, I can say that Blazemeter is a system that can allow you to save money on manual testing by transferring it to scriptless GUI test, understand the capabilities of your own service using load tests, and be prepared for unexpected calls using mock services. Thanks for watching.